Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit T-Rex Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the select button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. And once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. Now, scroll through the settings and find the display option. And once you find it, tap on it to enter. And here we have the brightness, select it. And right here we can adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider. By default, the auto brightness might be enabled, and how it works is basically it adjusts the screen brightness automatically according to the surrounding light around your watch. And if you tap on the icon right here, and it turns to the gray color, it means that the auto brightness is disabled. If it's blue, it means it's enabled. And I believe if you adjust the brightness manually, it will turn off automatically anyway, so you don't need to be worried about that. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. You can also adjust the screen brightness by using the quick panel. So if you swipe down from the top of the screen on the home screen, you will open the quick panel, and here we have the sun icon, and if you tap on it, it will open the brightness menu. You can adjust the brightness, and then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And last way to adjust the brightness is to use the phone if your watch is paired with a phone. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can open the ZEP application on that phone. Let me zoom out the camera. Okay, so on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the ZEP application. And in the app, you should see the home page. We can tap on device icon. On the device page, we should see our Amazfit T-Rex Ultra. Now let's scroll down, find the option called device settings and tap on it. And here there should be option called display and brightness. We can select it, and we can enable or disable the auto brightness right here. And we can also adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider, on the brightness slider. And once you adjust the brightness to your liking, you can simply close the ZEP application. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.